There's no laws in Cleveland. Not anymore. They changed that. There was a vote. You didn't hear about it, but it happened. Oh, hey there. Welcome to Ask the Expert on IWAE.com. I'm your expert, Dan Danowski with IWAE.com, and I'm going to answer a heating and cooling question today. Hey, Dan. Can I purchase a 3-zone MrCool DIY unit and only one wall air handler unit, then add the other 2 units at a later time? Or will there be too much refrigerant for one air handler to operate correctly? Okay, so we get this question a lot. People asking like, oh, I want to do a multi-zone, but I don't want to do all the air handlers right away. I just want like 1 or 2 or whatever, and then I want to add some more later. So the short answer is yeah, you can do that. But there's one caveat there. You don't have to install a multi-zone condenser with all the air handlers on it, but whatever you do install has to be at least 50% at capacity. So like if you get a 36K condenser, right, then whatever air handlers you install need to be doing at least half of that, which would be 18, I think. Yeah, 18 plus 7 minus 30. I'm not the best at math, but the point is, it's got to be about 50%. So if you do that, then you can come back in later and add more. And that's basically the answer. So, okay, bye. Oh, hey, do you have questions about how many air handlers you can put on a multi-zone condenser or how many air handlers you can put on a Camel? I don't know why you would ask that, but if you do, just leave it in the comments below. Bye.